Hi everyone, today we're breaking down one of the most common questions we get. Should you use C-22 or isopropyl alcohol when cleaning your hair system? I'll also show you the safest and most effective routine to remove all residue so your next bond is as strong as possible. Let's get started. First, let's talk about C-22. C-22 is a citrus-based adhesive remover that's highly effective at breaking down glue and tape. It can be used on the skin, however, we highly recommend doing a patch test. It also has a pleasant citrus smell and works on lace, skin, and poly bases. The only downside is that C-22 is oil-based, so if you don't rinse it properly, your next bond might not hold as well. But for heavy adhesive buildup, nothing beats C-22's cleaning power. Now, alcohol solutions used on the skin typically ranges from 60% to 90%. We recommend 70% because solutions with a higher alcohol content evaporate too quickly, which can prevent adequate contact time necessary for effective antisepsis or germ killing. Alcohol is great for lifting the edges of your system during removal, leaves no residue, and works well on delicate bases that don't handle oils very well. It's also antiseptic that kills germs, bacteria, viruses, and fungi on surfaces. However, alcohol alone isn't strong enough to remove thick adhesive. It's best used as a helper rather than the primary cleanup solution. C-22 versus alcohol, so which one should you use? Here's the simple breakdown. C-22 is a stronger remover compared to alcohol. Alcohol is great for cleaning the skin and for quick, small adhesive removals, but it's not strong enough for heavy cleaning. C-22 is ideal for removing glue and tape. Alcohol is perfect for lifting the system, prepping the scalp, and doing a final wipe before bonding. Most people will use both, but for different parts of the routine. Now let's go through the proper cleaning routine to guarantee a clean base and a strong new bond. Step 1. Start by lifting the system using alcohol. Spray it around the perimeter and gently work the edges up. This lets you take out the system off without damaging the lace or pulling hair. Step 2. Once the system is off, saturate the adhesive areas with C-22. Let it soak in for about 5 to 10 minutes so it can break down the glue. Step 3. Wipe or comb off the residue. At this point, the adhesive should slide off easily. Step 4. Shampoo the base thoroughly to remove all the oily solvent. This step is crucial because any leftover oil will weaken your next bond. Use a clarifying shampoo and rinse until the base feels naturally clean, not slippery. Step 5. Do a final wipe with alcohol. This removes any remaining oils and ensures both your scalp and your base are ready for a strong, clean bond. After that, simply dry everything and your system is ready to reinstall. So here's the final verdict. Use C-22 for powerful adhesive removal. Use alcohol for lifting, prepping, and final cleaning. And always shampoo out all solvent oils before bonding again. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out the links in the description for the products mentioned. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.